Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the brand new kit called Cozy and Bright. So this kit contains supplies for 12 cards and 12 envelopes. The instructions here are almost too simple. They're picture instructions, and I had to look at them twice because I'm always expecting things to be more complicated than they are. So I'm getting all my supplies ready to create these 12 cards, and I guess in the culinary world they would consider this mise en place, getting things in place. So there are 6 sentiments with this stamp set, and they have, they're different. So I decided to stamp 2 each of the sentiments. So I had a variety. There's even a funny tongue-in-cheek one that says, "Orange you glad it's Christmas?" Orange you glad, get it? Orange you glad? I like those punny ones. Anyway, as you can see, there's always a backside to these labels. So I made a mistake there and I'm going to restamp. And let's see. So the smaller oranges with the, I think it's called aniseed star, those are stickers. And then you also in the kit get some linen thread, which we will tie around the cinnamon stick. And like I said, I'm just getting everything ready. And I noticed that one of my Happy Christmas sentiments there was a little funky, so I decided to stamp that again on the back side. So I'm all ready to put these cards together in like assembly style. So here's the sticker of the orange, and it goes right above the pine cone underneath the orange leaf. Really simple to put these cards together, I'm telling you. I loved the way they looked. The design is great. There's gold splatter in the back, and there's pine cones, and I love the pop of orange in here. I mean, very cute card design, I have to say. So these oranges I popped up on dimensionals, and I'm not 100% sure if I was to pop these up with dimensionals or if I was to put them flat on the card, but who cares? They're my cards. And you can see how quickly this is going. Actually, I sped up my camera here, so but you're seeing the full process. Dimensionals on the back, and then here we go with the linen thread. So I measured out the 12 inches, and then I think it was 10 inches, I don't remember, and I got 12 pieces, trimmed them all down, and then all at one at a time I'm tying the bow around the cinnamon stick. However, I'm not going to make you watch the bow tying. It's tedious. This was the longest part. So these are really good to hand off to other people who like tying bows, like little kids, that sort of thing.
2 hours later.
So as you can see, I finished the bow tying off camera. And then I'm just putting some of my favorite dry adhesive, which is Seal Plus, on the back side of the cinnamon sticks, and then placing them, just tucking them under that orange. Now I have 2 dimensionals for the labels. And like I said, there's 6 different sentiments. So they're all different. And then once again, we have the anise seeds. I always get confused because I don't like licorice, and I call them by another A name. You can guess what it is. Anyway, sorry about that. Bad humor. Putting the anise seeds on the card. They look lovely. They're very, very festive. And I wanted to let you guys know, as a bonus for shopping with me, I have created an additional card kit that contains supplies for 4 more cards with envelopes and a written PDF with directions on how to put those cards together. So if you're interested, I will put the direct link below in the description so that you can go right ahead and shop with me. I always notice what folks are buying, so I will automatically send you the card kit. So again, you can see all the supplies listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog. I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.